good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is. Thank you for watching. Today, we're going to be doing a brow routine. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, today we're going to do a bit of brow routine. And also, I'm going to be like telling you guys a little bit more about myself so y'all can get to know me. Okay? So, let me show y'all the products that I'm going to be working with first. I'm going to be using an LA Girl Pro Concealer, and then I'm going to be using these two brow pencils. They're by NYX, and this one is, let me see what the color is, if I can find it. This one is Espresso, and this one is black. So I use both of those along with Anastasia's brow tint. I'm just trying this out, see how I like that. And then I only use 2 brushes. So this is like to blend out, and this is to like trace the line. And it's been a long time since I've put like a brow routine on my YouTube. The one I had took it down because of copyright issues. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to be looking a little bit down so I can see in my mirror that I have here. And so I just like to fill it in along with my brows. If you can see, I have very sparse brows, so like I have to fill it in. And I really love these pencils by NYX. I know Huda just dropped some, so I think I want to try those out, but I'm gonna look at the reviews first. And so I just use the end of the spoolie, blend it in, and then trace along the directions of my hair. I also do a line under where my natural arch of my brow is. Just drag the pencil on that way. Now I can see it. You know, I usually wear glasses, so bear with me. And we're going to just create mini hairs. So that the brow looks natural. We don't want that boxy looking brow from the 2010s. So yeah, a little bit about me, you guys, is I'm 23 years old. I just graduated from MSU, Michigan State University, in 2020, May 2020. Yeah, that's my little spiel about college. But like, I really love doing makeup. In college, my freshman year, that's when I started to get into like my brow. But I really didn't like try to do foundation. And then I don't know, I think towards the end of my freshman year is when I started to diddle in foundation. I started with like NYX, and Jesus, them pictures from back then are so embarrassing. But you live, you learn, and you just have to practice when it comes to makeup. And I know it's been a minute. I've been trying to been a minute since I uploaded another video, but I'm trying to get my mind right. So, that's how that goes. A little bit about me. I'm Scorpio, born November 2nd. I have a puppy, as you guys seen in the previous video, and I love him to death. But let's go back to the brow for a quick moment. Just brush it up, stroke like hairs, and that's pretty much all that there is really to the brow. And now we're just going to get into the concealer part. I'm gonna add a little bit of the black eyeshadow. NYX brow liner just for a little bit of deftness, a little bit. Okay, y'all, so we're going to be doing the next step in the eyebrow presses. We're going to be concealing the eyebrows. So this can, when it comes to the concealing step, you can just really fix all the mistakes that you made when you were applying the, the product. So I'm going to be using the brush, if I can find it. This flat brush from Luxe Studios. Max Luxe Studios is a black-owned brand, and I will leave it in the description box below. So I'm going to take the concealer, LA Girl concealer, and basically just put it on here. And I'm not going to do a very heavy coat because I don't want to do a heavy look today. Y'all gonna see. So I'm just gonna start basically really under I started really under the arch, as y'all can see. The arch. And I try to make sure that the brow is the way I want it to be, and then I just bring it down a little bit so that it's not like, I bring it down, the concealer down a little bit, because I don't want it to be like just a line under my brow. I want it to look natural as makeup can be, but okay, so now we have the bottom line, and then I'm going to start with I just tilt the brush on its side and using this to kind of guide me and having my bottom fingers, as balance. And I flatten the turn the brush because it has more product on the other side, so I'm running out of product. Just flatten. We turn it where there's more product. So I messed up a little bit, but we can fix it. It's not no biggie. And y'all, this is something I learned, that we're not gonna get these identical. Like, the brows are never gonna be identical because they're sisters, not twins. So I'm going back in, just clean that up a little bit. Fix it. Okay. Look at that. It's all about always room for cleaning up whatever mistake you made. Like, that's why brows take so long, because think brows take so long because people want them to look as alike. But I'm not really that picky. Just as long as it's not like this one is like a whole arch up and this one is just straight, then that's where we got a problem. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit, and then this one is done. So just blending it down, and blending it up. The thing with LA Girl concealer, if y'all use that, it kind of dries down pretty fast. So I gotta wear it pretty fast. Let's say another thing about me is that I've traveled out of the US about 3 times to Canada, and I'm from Detroit, so it's not that far. It's like 15 minutes away. And I've been to Mexico and South Africa. And I enjoyed Mexico more. I got to work with the community down and engage with them, and just it was different. But I stayed in South Africa longest, so I had the time to engage in the people and the culture. But I just felt more at ease in like Mexico. So that's a little bit about me. What type of music I like. I like any types of music, just as long as it's like something I can vibe to, really. Yeah. Something unique about me. I feel like my name. My YouTube name is Seydi Nzuri, and Nzuri means Ethru, and my Seydi is my last name, so I just said Seydi Nzuri. It just sounds good to me. But my first name is Soretta. I'm named after my grandma, and my dad is Senegalese. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look for this eyebrow. I'll be back with a light look, like a light beat, and we can wrap up this video. Okay, y'all, so this is my simple look. I just put some lashes, blush, and some concealer on, and take out these brows. But I did forget to do one more step, which was add this Anastasia brow tint. So we're gonna just put a little bit at the beginning. So that's pretty much it. I appreciate y'all for watching, and hopefully you guys got to know me a little bit more. And if you guys want to see something, just feel free to comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and see y'all next time. Bye.